how to replace the wing mirror glass or maybe full insert. I'll show you now. So first of all, what you need to do is just turn the mirror to the left as far as possible so we can have a better access to take this insert from here. As you can see, it's already been broken because I was trying to remove that earlier, as you can see on the video right now. If you have a gap in here, you can just gently put your fingers there. And broke it. Starting replacing wing mirror insert is pretty easy. It was, I thought. So we just need to remove the old one. Just need to pull this gently out of the place where it sits. And next thing, we need to remove these connectors. And when we have our brand new insert in our hands, we can reattach this connectors first. So when we have our connectors connected to the heated pad of the wing mirror, I have a special tool in here and we can check actually, is it working, the heating is working. So we're checking the, switching to the object temperature, and it shows 18.3. I can start feeling that it's getting warmer and warmer now. So I'll double check again. It shows 18.9, which is 0 point, and it shows now 20, so the temperature is rising. So if we want to put it back together, firstly I will switch the engine off because it's making a noise, and after this we can just gently, so we can pull this gently back to its place. As you can see, it was pretty easy, and the heated pad is working. If you have reached this point, I would like to invite you to visit my online store. You can buy various clothes and accessories with a print here. You have a souvenir for yourself, and you support me in the production of new films. I would also like to share thanks for the support already received. Thank you.